guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we'll a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS Samba OG. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time, an opportunity, to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the iconic ADIDAS Samba, the OG one, of course. We got this in the white black granite colorway and a UK size 8. It's a European 42 and it's a US 8.5. Let's get unboxing. And here they are. Look at this, a classic sneaker. Honestly, I'd put it down as one of Adidas's like heritage sneakers. Put it up there with the Adidas Superstar, the Stan Smith. You know, those two sneakers in and of itself, they're families of two different sports. So obviously the Superstar is basketball and the Stan Smith is tennis. And this Samba baby right here is for football. So we'll get into all that details, like the history and all that jazz soon. But we'll start with the details of the sneaker. We'll start with the outsole. So this is an all rubber outsole. It's in this brown colorway. You've got suction cups there and some traction patterning just underneath with Adidas lettering in the middle. Moving on to the midsole unit. So again, it's just a rubber cup sole unit that surrounds the sneaker. And that is so beneficial because this sneaker was designed with football in mind. Debuted in the Brazil World Cup 1950. Obviously the body was different. It looked more like a high top sneaker. Not a high top sneaker, but more of a high top football boot. And the outsole was a bit different. Basically, Adidas wanted to come up with a new way, new traction patterning for their football boots at the time. And they thought, what better way to debut it than the 1950 Brazil World Cup, where they'd get their players, I believe it was the German team, to wear the Samba. And it's called the Samba because of where the sneaker debuted itself, obviously Brazil. Samba music, they thought that naming it Samba will correlate, you know, it will resonate with the Brazilian fans and, you know, the Brazilian population. And we have a beautiful sneaker reborn. Obviously the body is different because it's gone through major changes throughout the years, but one thing does remain the same, and to me it's the essence of football. It's in the sneaker. So we move along onto the upper, so you can see the slim look. If you look at the silhouette from the top down, it's not that wide, it's fairly slim. The uppers, you got a leather upper that makes the main part of the body of the sneaker all around. Then you got the iconic suede T-bar, so you see that T, it's made out of suede. Three stripes, you know, you're getting that famous three stripes from Adidas, and you got that Samba logo in the gold lettering right there. The tongue, so the tongue has gone through major differences. The more traditional logo from Adidas, it was a rectangle with the Adidas logo, but now it has this blue and white. Well, you can see the trefoil logo from Adidas there. And there are other Adidas Sambas where the tongue is a bit larger. Obviously, it was adopted from the football fields into indoor football, which is why, you know, the rubber cup sole is great grips. If you've ever played indoor football, some of the OGs, the old heads, would be wearing a pair of OG Sambas, well, Samba OGs. So you've got a leather tongue, flat laces that come with it. There's no other laces, I'm afraid. You can always change them if you've got spare laces around. The back, so you got leather right there as well, and you've got the leather tab. Insole, it's quite relaxed, you know, normal Adidas, nothing special in there. And it isn't an ortholite insole, it's just a normal foam one by the looks of it. And that kind of rounds off the details of the sneaker. This is having its day at the moment. As soon as Jerry Lorenzo put that picture of himself wearing a pair of Adidas Sambas, they sold out on Adidas website so quickly. I couldn't get a pair then. Thankful to get a pair now, and I can assure you guys what you're going to be seeing on TikTok, Instagram these days. You're going to see the fashion girls, the fashion heads. They're going to be wearing Adidas Sambas. Why? I don't know. In my day, they used to sit on the shelves, and I used to work in a sneaker store. Adidas Sambas used to sit on the shelves, and the only people that would buy them were, and they still are actually, football fans. And to me, this has terrace pack all over. We've done tons of Adidas Gazelle reviews. Check that out. I talk about the importance of football there, but the same can be said about the Samba. People have adopted the Samba in games of five-a-side. It's been worn throughout so many cultures, countries. When people spectate football matches, I'm going to be wearing these to Arsenal matches. And it's a great thing that, Arsenal are sponsored by Adi. So I can wear, the new shirt with a pair of Sambas. So that rounds it off for my review. I can't wait to try these on. Let you know how it fits, what looks good. I mean, I'm wearing a pair. I'll tell you what I'm wearing when I do the thingy. But yeah, this is it. This is the sneaker of the year for me. I'm saying it early. Boom. 2023. Roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. It fits well. My toes are where they need to be. You can see it there. And they look really good on. But I must say, if you want a kind of snugger fit, you can wear a half size down. Usually what people tend to do when it comes to Adidas sneakers is, say you're a 7 in a Nike, you'd go half size up. So if you kind of want a more snug fit, for Adi, you'd wear what you usually wear for Nike, if that makes any sense. So essentially, if I want a more snug fit, I'd wear a 7.5. That's what I'm trying to get at. I think I just overcomplicated it, but I got there in the end. They look really cool on. Obviously, it's timeless classic. If you're able to get a pair, let us know in the comment section below, because we know it's a bit difficult at the minute. Again, I'm grateful to get a pair for myself. Got to thank the gods from Adidas, so thank you. And yeah, dope sneakers to have to add to your collection if you can. And I mean, people might think I'm crazy for saying this, but this is sneaker of the year for me. Thanks guys for watching. If you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Dickies 874 work pants in navy, if you can tell what colour it is. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram, and follow us on TikTok as well. Until next time, peace.